Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna review this Sattva Henna Dark Brown. I've been using this henna for a few years already actually and I love it. I love how this makes my hair looks. I love the color it gives me. Right now I'm after I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks after applying henna on my hair, so you can see the color I have. It's supposed to be like dark, cool toned brown. It should give like kind of a chocolatey brown look. And definitely compared to other hennas which I've used, and I'm gonna show you all the colors they actually have available. These are all the colors, which is incredible, and these are all the hennas. I use the natural red henna. I also use the neutral one, which is supposed to not give any color, and light brown. And the light brown henna was giving me kind of warm tone brown color, and this one gives me the cool tone brown color. This is 100% natural, so even pregnant women can use it, compared to other chemical based hair dyes which pregnant women should not use. So if you're pregnant and you want to dye your hair, this can be a good alternative. I've been using this for over a few years already, so I can tell you what works for me and what's not. Definitely adding some conditioner, silicone-free conditioner, to the henna mix definitely helps to moisturize my hair. And I also like to add Olaplex. So that's another tip for you. And part of coloring my hair, which is a big plus because I love this dark, cool tone brown color, I definitely noticed that my hair is a lot more shiny, and also I feel like it's thicker. At least it looks like it's thicker. It adds volume, and it also prevents hair loss. So if you deal with excessive hair loss, this also may help you. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I apply this henna on my hair and how I mix the henna with water and everything. And after applying henna on my hair, I usually keep it for around 2-4 hours, and I try to keep it warm. And also make sure to not use any silicone-based products. I usually just wash my hair with basic shampoo, and then I don't use any conditioners or any shampoos with silicones in it. Sometimes I even add oil to my henna mix. I didn't notice any negative effect on that. I actually see that my hair looks better, but for some people it may not work. But try it out and see. I'm just gonna show you now how I apply a henna on my hair and what works for me. If you're interested, then keep on watching.